In this video, we're going to use polynomial division to solve application problems. It says the volume of a hexagonal prism is given by 35x to the fifth plus 20x to the fourth minus 57x cubed plus x squared plus 18x minus 30. The area of the base, that's important to note, that's the base. The area of the base is 5x squared minus 6. Find the expression for the height of the hexagonal prism. So I'm assuming if we divide these two things, right, we divide the volume by the base, we'll get the height, because that's how you find volume. So we're going to take 35 x to the fifth plus 20 x to the fourth minus 57 x cubed plus x squared plus 18x minus 30, and we're going to divide this 5x squared. Now notice that there's a missing term there. We're always going to want to put that missing term in, so it's 5x squared plus 0x minus 2. Five x goes into 35x to the fifth. We can write that out to the side. 35x to the fifth over 5x squared is 7x cubed. Multiply it through. That's going to be 35x to the fifth. Multiply it times 0x, I get plus 0x to the fourth. And then 7x cubed times the negative 2 gives you negative 14x cubed. So the reason we put this placeholder in there is so that it keeps everything in line here. We're going to subtract these three terms. That's negative 35x to the fifth minus 0x to the fourth plus 14x cubed. Got to cross that out.
It's minus 6, not minus 2.
Well, I'll be darned. Minus 6 there, thank you. So we had negative 6, which would make that, this would have been negative 42. So this is actually positive 42. Now we're going to go through and subtract those. So 0, this is 20x to the fourth, and this would be negative 15x cubed. Bring the other pieces down, so that's plus x squared plus 18x minus 30. So then we're going to say 5x squared goes into 20x to the fourth. You can write that out to the side, 20x to the fourth over 5x squared. That's 4x squared. So plus 4x squared. Multiply it through, we get 20x to the fourth plus 0x to the third minus 24x squared. We're going to subtract those three terms. That's negative 20x to the fourth minus 0x cubed plus 24x squared. That's 0. This is negative 15x cubed. And this would be 25x squared. Bring down the other two pieces, so we have plus 18x minus 30. 5x squared goes into negative 15x cubed. That's negative 3x, so minus 3x. Multiply it through. Negative 3x times 5x squared is negative 15x cubed. Negative 3x times 0x, that'd be 0x squared. And then negative 3x times the negative 6 would be positive 18x. We're going to subtract. That's going to be 15x cubed minus 0x squared minus 18x. 0 here, that'd be 25x squared there. This gives you 0, so we're going to say plus 0x, and then minus 30. 25x squared divided by the 5x squared. We're seeing how many times it goes in there. You get 5, so we have plus 5. Multiply that through, you get 25x squared plus 0x, and then 5 times negative 6 is negative 30. We're going to subtract that. It's negative 25x squared minus 0x plus 30. That's 0, 0, and 0. So we have no remainder. So our height that we get is 7x cubed. So we can just say height here. That'd be 7x cubed plus 4x squared minus 3x plus 5. This is our height expression.